Hello and welcome. Today, we're excited to introduce you to the Pennsylvania Woodworks Clothes Drying Rack, a masterpiece of craftsmanship made from solid maple hardwood, ensuring rock-hard durability to hold full loads of soaking wet laundry without a wobble. Crafted in Pennsylvania's Amish country, this handcrafted drying rack boasts furniture-grade construction with thick 1-1/4 hardwood slats and 3/4 wood dowels for unmatched strength and stability. Standing at 52 inches high, 36 inches wide, and 17 inches deep, it offers an impressive 37 feet of drying space, making it perfect for shirts, sweaters, jeans, and all your everyday laundry needs. The best part? It arrives fully assembled and folds down flat in seconds, making it easy to store in closets or under beds. Plus, its unfinished wood and smoothly sanded dowels ensure your delicate items like fine lingerie and sheer hosiery remain snag-free and unstained. Elevate your laundry routine with this durable, versatile, and beautifully crafted drying rack, proudly made in the USA. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below.